Welcome to HQLO. This is instruction manual to use our HQLO adult, real face mask. Place a ruler or measuring tape on your forehead. Do not place the ruler over your nose or mouth, where we are creating your mask. Look sideways and take your photo. We will use this photo for left and right side of your mask. Ensure good lighting condition to reduce the shadow on your face. This will allow us to make a good mask. Keep your jaw in closed position. You still can use any expressions you wish. Do not open your mouth widely to take photo. Check your photo resolution. Too low will make your mask not sharp to use at all. We advise to ensure about 3 megabytes for your photos. Upload your front-facing image to our front view product customizer, and upload your side-facing image to our side view product customizer. You can add face decor with our HQLO customizer. We have designs available in our library for you to use. We hope that you enjoy this tutorial. Are you ready to start customizing your mask?